So, I don't know if you can see that, but I have worn this socket out over the years, but this is the only one I have. I took the socket that was all beat up, that wouldn't grab it. I put it on a metal chop saw and cut the end off that was all messed up, thus giving me one that's not all chewed up. Hopefully this will be good enough for our purposes. And I'm not gonna lie to you, if this works, I probably won't mess with it again. It'll probably just stay this way. Oh, will you look at that? All right, we're gonna tighten this bad boy up the same way it was when it came off. Cut off the end of that socket, which it still will function. It's a deep well. That's the point of it. Matter of fact, it will function as a deep well better now because it's not as scarred at the tip. Moral of the story: cut off the end of your sockets if the ends are messed up. Don't throw them out. Maybe you get a little more use out of it. I don't know. Starting to think that those were super cheap anyway, so whatever use I got out of them was probably pretty good.